subscription services. Here's a neat trick that I like to show to people who are getting into HTML and CSS for the first time. Did you know that you can host your own static websites for free on the cloud? This is one of my favorite examples. This is Jeff Geerling's project Mini Rack, and he's hosted this entire thing on GitHub, and it's just presented here. He doesn't have to pay hosting costs or anything. It's just on GitHub. But if you or someone you know is a content creator, you probably have something like this, a link tree. This is Gabby Bell's link tree. She's got her Spotify and her YouTube. Link trees are really helpful for just telling the world where you are on the internet in one place. It's great. And while these free versions do work for people, sometimes you want a little more customization, but you don't want to be paying 10 Canadian dollars a month in order to make that happen. And it can be pretty crazy how high these prices get. Like 40 Canadian dollars a month for Linktree is pretty absurd, considering you can do a lot of this stuff completely free. So I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to deploy a website on the internet. Now I've gone ahead and created my own kind of link tree here. I just built it from HTML and CSS. It looks a little pretty, and you can access all of my links with a click of a button. Now I've taken this web page and I've put it onto a public GitHub repository. And from here I can go to settings. I can go down to pages. And I can, under branch, I can go to deploy the main branch and click save. Give it a little time to load because there is some backend stuff that needs to happen. But once it's done, you now have this URL here, and boom, you just published a website on the internet completely for free. And anybody with that URL can now access that web page. You can even add a custom domain, which I will be eventually, especially for branding purposes. You would want something custom. I do have binks.gg. But there is going to be a little more configuration steps for this, so I'm not going to put it in right away. It might work right away, who knows, but it will take a while for these DNS records to propagate to a bunch of other servers, so anyone that types in binks.gg is able to access this website.